In March 2020, Hannah and I planned to come to Tasmania. We had everything booked, and then something happened and we had to cancel everything. We meant to come here in an electric car. Today it's December 2020 and we are here. However, we flew in and are exploring Tasmania, and one of the plans was to also have a look at the chargers here. Tasmania not long ago had 0 DC electric vehicle chargers. Today, as of today, there is 12 that I counted on Blackshed. They are spread around the country for exploring of electric vehicle drivers, allowing them to travel around. We are in Kempton at the moment. It's a small village, a nice historic village on the way up to Cradle Mountains. We have a little puppy sniffing around here. And this charger is all of the chargers here in Tasmania at the moment are tritium 50 kilowatt chargers. Now consider this: Tasmania now produces 100% of the energy needs from renewable sources, hydro, wind, and by 2040 Tasmania plans to produce 200% of renewable energy here, and that means they will be exporting 100% of the electricity to mainland Australia. Tasmania is the leading example of how we should do it. Of course, this climate allows it. There is a lot of hydro and wind generation happening and being commissioned. This is why Tasmania is now 100% renewable. There is so many of these dams here behind me. It looks like ocean because there are waves as well from the wind. Massive! So it's the ideal country for electric vehicles here. That's why we've seen quite a few electric cars in Hobart, not many outside Hobart, or not one yet. So we have to learn, we can learn a lot about Tasmania at the moment, because the potential here for electric vehicle adoption is huge. And I just trust that it will stay tax-free, clean air tax-free, and more and more people in Tasmania will get to electric cars. Electricity is relatively cheap and much cheaper than on mainland Australia, so it makes it very appealing to drive electric here. I'm hoping that our next trip here will be in electric car. I'm looking forward to it. And now I'll pause because the truck is coming very noisy. It's all ice here. Demand for oil products is dropping. It will never be zero. It can be very low because we need still to make plastic and roads and tarmac and stuff. But Tasmania is in a very good position to cut off their supply or reduce their dependency on foreign oil dramatically with their transition to electric vehicle transportation. Go to Tasmania, we'll love this country here. This charger here has amenities, has food, mood food, good spot next to the highway towards Cradle Mountains if you will be passing by. On the way between Hobart and Launceston. Explore Tasmania if you are local, and if you are not, come to Tasmania. Now it's very easy to travel in an electric car. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome to subscribe here. It's free. YouTube will send you notifications of my future videos, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video.